Good morning. I ran out of my regular water underneath the sink, so I had to use a little bit of the drinking water to wash my face this morning. I've been busy the whole week, and today is the only day that I have to make the best out of it without working, and I'm gonna take you along. Let's go. It's a little foggy outside today, in the morning at least. Can't forget this. Yeah. I can never give up coffee. If in the future I give up coffee and you remember me saying this, yell at me. Not gonna happen. Oh baby, nothing like a good cup of coffee to start the day. I should make commercials for coffee. Let's go. I intentionally try to wake up like this and have coffee. I was sitting on the bench, I didn't film it, but some lady with her dog came down and said hi, and I said hi to the dog, and it was a good morning. All right, let's keep on moving. All right, we made it to the shower place. Ooh, it's hot in here. That was a great shower though. Much needed. I spy with my little eye a water dispenser. One of my water jugs is empty, so I'm just gonna go real quick. That's one of the ways that I get water and also get quarters in return for street parking if I need to, or showers at different campgrounds that require quarters. Ahead of me is so slow, even the dump trucks are on my ass. That almost never happens. I booked a campsite for tonight, hopefully with some shade. But somebody was there last night, so I'm gonna go check and see if they're still there. She says they might still be in there, so let's check it out. Alright, she was right, they're still in there. All good. I think I might be able to switch to the one next to it, if it's still available. You know, I did not realize how hot it is outside. It's 88 degrees. Whew. I had AC in here and I got out to see if I can switch campsites, and it is hot today, man. I'll check back with you when we get back to the campsite. I'm gonna find the day use area to hang out for a second. It's almost 1 o'clock. Let's see if the people left. They're supposed to check out at 12. They don't really enforce that as much as they don't really enforce if I go in early and there's nobody there, because I'm supposed to check in at 2. Let's find out. Alright, I think we might be in luck. Looks like they left. I'm not 100% sure because there's a site next to me. There's an RV there, and it wasn't there before, so I don't want to confuse it. Oh yeah, they're gone. They're all gone. I've been getting out of the vehicle to go set up the camera while I'm parking the van, and I turned on the AC from the day use area to come here, which is like 2 minutes. Gotta tell you, the first time I got out, it's like a huge heat wave. You don't get it until like you get out. The first one is like, holy moly, it is hot. The vent is running full blast, and it's probably gonna be running full blast until like later on tonight. But somebody left firewood at the campsite, which is kind of weird because why would you make a fire? Maybe I'll make a fire. I don't know.
Break down all the lights, let me hold you close. I'm full of loose ends, will you be my rope? Waited my whole life, and now I know. My love won't budge. My love won't fade after the preview. We only get one life. I won't live mine without you. Calm or stormy, I'll stay solid. When you're distant, I'll keep falling. My love will follow through. I thought I was done, but you never are.
I think I hit some sort of rock on this one, so I'm hoping it doesn't get too windy.
In a beating heart, I'll give you my best. I think that's a start.
Well, if you've been on the channel for a while, you know that I don't do this setup anymore, but today is necessary. The setup is not as long as the breakdown, especially putting this awning back, but I really do need it. Also, if you are new to the channel and you are interested in getting one of these awnings, I've had this for a while, I do have a link down there and it'll give you, I think like 30% off or $30 off. Don't quote me on it, but it's been under there for a while, and you can grab your own for a little bit of a discount, but you do have to use that link. Now, since I did set up, let me give you a quick campsite tour because it's really hot. I really don't want to go in the sun, but we'll go in the sun. We'll just start from the side of the van where we have a little bit more shade. This is the plug. I do have a spigot here, which I'm gonna have to fill up my water jug next. We do have the fire pit. Man, it's hot. And somebody left firewood because I'm guessing they didn't need it. It's too hot outside. The grill. The backyard. I do have a table which is draped in the sun. I'm guessing it's not in the sun the whole day, but it's in the sun right now when I have to check in. And of course, last but not least, I got my front porch to my home for tonight. Another reason why I actually don't really set up like this anymore is because if I stay for a night, which is the case today, I don't really feel like doing it. But if I stayed for longer and I needed the shades, then I would do it. Needs more lime. It's good. So refreshing. actually not sure if I've made guacamole on the channel. I don't think I did. I make it, I don't make it very often, but I had a few ripe avocados, and I figured it'd be a great meal for lunch for today. I can't express how homemade guacamole tastes so much better. First of all, it tastes really fresh. Second of all, it's pretty cool because everything that I used, or most of the stuff that I used, was in the fridge except the onion and the chips. That's kind of it. I'm using some tortilla round, found them on sale, so it's nothing special, but they're just plain tortillas, and I think a little bit of salt.
On the road, I've been away for far too long, but now I'm on my way back home.